Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which Google account Gemini currently uses, because switching requires a clear active session. Open the Gemini app or go to the Gemini web interface and check your profile icon. Once visible, tap it to reveal account options. If you're not signed in, sign in now with the account you want to replace. If you are, note it and sign out. Make sure you have the other Google account credentials and two-step methods handy to avoid interruptions. Next, perform the account switch by accessing Profile Settings and choosing Manage Accounts. This sequence lets you add or swap Google accounts. Select Add Account, complete Google's sign-in flow, and provide two-step verification codes if prompted. This is why you prepared the alternate account. Once signed in, choose Switch or Set as default in Gemini's account list. Grant necessary permissions so Gemini can access personalization and history. Without permissions, finally, verify the new Google account is active in Gemini by checking the profile badge and testing a personalized query. If preferences or history don't appear, force a sync. Sign out and back in, or restart the app or browser to refresh tokens. If problems persist, clear Gemini's cache or remove and re-add the account in device settings, re-authenticate and re-grant permissions. If you still see the old account, ensure you fully signed out from Google services on the device and repeat the switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.